Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. This is the Rideshare Hub, okay? We're better than all the other channels out there. Definitely way better than the Rideshare Guy. I don't know if you've ever heard of him, but we're the Rideshare Hub, okay? We're the best. No, I'm just kidding. He's really awesome too, check him out. But in today's video, I brought this Tesla out here. I'm actually renting it right now, just because we're reviewing the new Tesla program for Uber, and we wanted to, you know, really test it out and see, is this the best car to use for driving for Uber, for Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart. There's actually a ton of trunk space, which I'll show you in a second, but is this the best car for Uber and Lyft? Now, before I do the quick walk around, I just want to tell you guys, you actually get paid way more money if you have a Tesla. The car, I'm pretty biased, but it's an amazing car, and so many drivers who switch to Tesla, seeing their tips double. People make thousands of dollars a month just in tips alone, which completely pays for the car, which is crazy. They are saving money on gas because they're now charging the car. Some drivers charge their car at home, only paying $5 a day in charging. They charge it overnight, so they don't even think about charging anymore or filling up gas. You just wake up with a completely full charge. And also, you don't have to pay for normal car maintenance like oil changes. You won't even have to fix your brakes because they have this new technology called regenerative braking. So you don't have to change your brakes as often. You don't run into, you know, engine failures and stuff. The only problems you have to worry about is like battery problems, but Tesla usually takes care of all of that. And Elon Musk is launching a new service for Tesla drivers, where you get on-demand service quickly. So anyways, I really think this is like the best car for its value on the market right now. This is the cheapest Tesla we got. This one retails for around $37,000. There's tax rebates depending on your state, refunds, and yeah. Let's do a quick walk around over here. These are aero wheels, so these are like plastic covers that you put on the outside they estimate you get an extra like couple miles, I think it's like 10 or 20 more miles per range or whatever extended for having those on, because helps with aerodynamics. There's cameras on the car, which helps with any break-ins that you have. As soon as somebody touches your car, but you can't see it now because when it's locked you can see it, but your car actually starts recording, and so it's pretty cool. The top is all glass, which is really cool, and I'll just show you guys really briefly when you step inside. I don't know how the lighting is, it's pretty dark, it's getting dark out here, but it's really nice inside. It's very minimal, and it obviously comes with that iPad tablet in there, which has a really lot of cool features. But yeah, let's open up the trunk really quick, just so I can show you guys how much room is back here. There is a ton of room to get back here, and I think I can get all the way in here easily. Look at that, guys. Come on, if Dylan can fit in here, you can fit a lot of stuff. And there's even a secret compartment in here for extra, if you can see that. I don't know if you can, it's kind of dark, but there's extra secret storage back here. And the back seat, guys, is very spacious. Let's sit back here. Your passengers will have plenty of legroom, even if they're tall, and it's a really like high-class luxury experience, even with the car that's potentially cheaper than a Prius. Like, this is not an expensive car. This is a cheap car, 37,000 bucks. Could use it, start making a lot of money, pay off the car within a year, and now you have a Tesla just because you bought it to drive for Uber, for Lyft. You could pay the car off in 6 months. You know, you're gonna start making a ton of money. And one of the coolest features, guys, is it actually has a trunk in the front as well. You want to try fitting in there, Izzy, again?
Sure.
My camera person claims that she can actually fit in here. Camera person, aka Izzy from the channel. You guys know her. Drop a like for Izzy doing this right now.
Honestly, yeah, I can fit in here.
Oh my gosh, wait. That's actually better than last time. Yeah, there's a ton of trunk space in there. Look how cool that is. I wouldn't recommend putting your passenger in there. That's not an extra seat, guys, okay? But yeah, Izzy, did I miss anything out on the Tesla?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? Would you think it's better, let's say, because I know you're a passenger a lot, do you think you would prefer a Tesla over, like, you know, a Honda Civic?
I've actually ridden in a Tesla as a passenger, like just a regular Uber X ride, and the driver was actually renting it like through Uber.
Oh, that's so cool.
We had a whole conversation about it. Yeah, and he said that like driving full time, it's definitely worth it, and he always gets a ton of questions about the Tesla. Like, passengers are very interested in it, and he'll usually get more tips just because they're having like good conversation. Like, the car itself is already a good conversation starter. Yeah. And it's a super safe car, so as a passenger you feel very secure and like good. Yeah, they have like accident like prevention built into the technology. Yeah, yeah, there's like already a dash cam like in the car, so you don't even have to buy one. Yeah, exactly. There's a dash cam right there, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but cool. You want to take it back over? You should show the charging. Izzy said we should show you guys the charging port. It's actually kind of hard to see if you're not a Tesla owner or if you don't know about Teslas, but it's actually built in right here. That's so cool because you literally can barely even notice it. Just click there, opens up. That's where you're gonna charge your car. I should mention charging as a driver is probably one of the most important topics, and I probably should make a whole video about this, but I'll talk about it briefly right now. Is if you are driving rideshare with a Tesla or doing food delivery, you know, you're driving around all day long, your car is going to, you know, the battery's gonna drain. Now, if you don't have a charger at home, going to a supercharging station, it could be annoying if you don't have one near your house, because that could just be, you know, an extra 20 minutes you're going to a supercharger station. I know there's more and more now, so it is really helpful, but what you want to do is, this is a life hack. Try to get charging capability at your house, and this might take having a conversation with your landlord or property manager and say, hey, you know, I have a Tesla. Is there any way you'd be willing to install a 220 volt charger that's going to charge your car overnight? It's going to take around 6 to 8 hours to give you fully charged overnight, and you could tell them, hey, you know, having charging capabilities is going to increase the value of your property. You're going to be attracting clients who have or tenants who have electric vehicles, and it only costs around $400 to $500 to get installed. It's pretty easy, so if you can do that, it's going to make your life a heck of a lot easier. You're going to save, you know, upwards of an hour per day just on charging. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'd still say it would be worth it even if you don't, because most supercharging stations is like near Starbucks, and you could just kind of plug it in, get a coffee, and it's done. But yeah, guys, that's the video. Let's walk back around here. I think I got pretty much everything out of the way. I didn't do a test drive, but we have other videos on our channel where you can check them out. Let me know, do you think this is a good car to drive for Uber or for Lyft? This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.